One podcast episode, 45 minutes of audio. An AI tool turned it into 37 ready to post social media posts overnight, not summaries, not quotes. Fully written, platform optimized posts. She scheduled all 37 with one click and didn't write a single word. That's tool 5. But tool 3? It literally spies on your competitors' ads, figures out why they're winning, and builds you ads designed to crush them. Let me show you all 5. The marketers winning right now are not smarter than you. They're not working 12-hour days. They found tools that do in 5 minutes what a marketing team does in a week. And while you're still manually posting and praying for engagement, they've already moved on to the next campaign. These 5 tools are the reason. Most marketers don't know about a single one. First, Surfer SEO. I typed one keyword. Surfer scanned the top 50 Google results in real time, reverse engineered exactly why they rank, then built me a content blueprint. Exact headings, exact word count, exact keyword density, every ranking signal handed to me on a plate. But here's where it gets absurd. One click and the AI writes the entire article, already optimized for page 1. I published an article in 12 minutes. It hit position 3 on Google in 9 days. 12 minutes of work. Page 1 of Google. SEO agencies charge $5,000 a month and take 3 months to maybe get you results. Surfer is $99 a month and it just works. This alone could replace your entire content strategy. Number 2. Predis.ai. I typed 9 words. AI productivity tools for freelancers. What I got back: 30 days of complete social media content. Carousels that look like a designer spent hours on them. Captions with hooks that actually stop the scroll. Hashtags. Posting schedule. Even optimal posting times for each platform. 3 minutes. A full month of content. Done. It auto-brands everything with your colors and fonts. Instagram, LinkedIn, X stories, Reels, everything. A social media manager costs $2,000 a month minimum. Predis costs $36. Do the math. Free tier gives you 15 posts to test it. You'll upgrade before the week's over. Number 3. Pencil. This is the one that should terrify your competitors. You connect your ad accounts. Pencil doesn't just look at your ads. It dissects what worked, what bombed, and exactly why. Then it generates brand new video ad variations engineered to outperform your current best. But it gets worse. It studies your competitors' ads too and builds you ads designed to beat them. Unilever uses this. Square uses this. They reported 2 to 3x better return on ad spend. $149 a month sounds expensive until you realize it's an AI that manufactures winning ads faster than your competitors can even test theirs. Number 4. Simplified. What if Canva Grammarly, a video editor, and a social media scheduler fused into one tool? That's Simplified. Design a post. Write the caption with AI. Edit a video. Schedule everything. Never leave one tab. I built an entire week of social content in a single sitting. Blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, email subject lines, the AI handles all of it. Thousands of templates. One platform. And the price. Free forever plan exists. Pro is $12 a month. $12 for a full marketing suite. That's not a subscription. That's theft. And number 5, the one I opened with lately. Feed it any long form content. A podcast, a webinar, a Zoom call, a blog post. Lately's AI doesn't just chop it into clips. It studies your analytics. Learns which phrases, formats, and patterns get your audience to engage. Then generates dozens of posts that sound exactly like you, optimized for each platform. My friend fed it one 45-minute podcast. Got 37 posts. Each one matched her voice. Each one was tailored to a different platform. She scheduled them all with one click. That's a month of content from one recording session. $49 a month to never manually write a social post again. 5 tools. Each one eliminates an entire marketing hire. SEO on autopilot. Social media that creates itself. Ads that spy on competitors. A full creative suite for $12. Content that multiplies itself. Your competitors are still guessing. You just got the cheat codes. Subscribe before they catch up. See you in the next one.